Umoto lifestyle here. My name is Umoto. I originally come from Africa, Kenya, but now I live here in the US for the longest, guys. And I make videos about my lifestyle here in America in case there's somebody out there all over the world who wants to come to America and who wants to know how people live here in America. So I'm taking you around America to show you everything you need to know about America, from work, from food, your lifestyle, anything you just want to see here, the roads, where we shop, everything. So today's video, guys, I'm gonna take you to a flea market. A flea market is a market where vendors actually come and swap things. Yes, I said you can swap your sweater and the shoes, and yes, you can swap your things, or you can come and buy used things. So specifically it's for used things. So, and they're way cheaper, or they are manageable. You can get pretty much something for $1, $2. It's pretty much like a thrift store, or what they call it, not a dollar store, but it's something where you can buy used things. But of course they have to go get a permit from the city to be able to own a vendor there where you can sell things. So today I'm gonna take you, we go explore and see what we can find. It's kind of like a garage sale, but it's not a garage sale, but it's, you have to get a permit to sell it. So let's go and see this flea market. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and let's go to a flea market. Guys, we're hunting for a flea market. Look at that. Yes, demolition in America. We do demolish homes here, or warehouses. This is a place actually where they have huge warehouses. It's called in Grand Prairie. It's in Texas. So let me show you. Look at some of the large warehouses here. The huge stores like Home Depot, they have their warehouses here. In the yard, we're still hunting for a flea market. Stay tuned, guys. You can tell there are more warehouses on the other side, guys. Look at that. Look at the home of the Home Depot. Guys, this is one of the oldest city in America, as you can tell from the buildings and the way it looks like. This is where they have those flea markets. The city is not quite developed, but it's good to see. Like in America, you can see cities like this. It's not only fancy, you can see some. I'm gonna try to show you everything that you need to know about America. So as you can tell, what did he say over here? Yes, this is America. Guys, you can see that's where we're going. So many cars. That's the flea market. So let's find somewhere so we can go and park our car. Let's go. All right, stay here. Let's go see how the flea market looks like. So maybe we can use this road right here. Yes, yes, yes. All right. Yay. Actually, guys, this is how it's almost looking like. Let's go. It's all the way up there. That's the flea market. Is in there where you see so many cars, and that's why we're going in there. We see what they have. Yes, Umoto lifestyle here, doing justice for y'all. Guys, make sure you subscribe. As you can see, there's so many customers here, vendors, and yes, 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 we are going in there. So we're trying to find somewhere we can park our car. Already, guys, you can see people in there busy selling and buying and doing everything, but we're gonna go in there to see by ourselves. But right now we have to find a parking. Okay, yay. That is the flea. come to a flea market, you can already see what I see. You see so many people here selling and swapping and doing everything. And I'm here. I'm just gonna take you around, guys. I don't know if my video is recording. It's a video recording. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna take you around and then we see what we have here. Pretty much everything you need to see is right here. Stay with me, let me take you around, okay? Guys, I hope my video... Guys, I need to buy a hat. I'm burning like crazy. So you can see people are selling and swapping things here everywhere. Good things here. They have t-shirts, they have hats. You can tell you can buy a hat here. Actually some of the things are new here. Look at this. You can find the t-shirts if you're looking for everything here. $3. I see. Okay. So this is how the flea market looks like, guys. It's pretty much good. Look at these hats here. Really nice, guys. The music is so loud. So I'm gonna go. Oh my gosh, it's so lush. Let's keep going. Look at the shoes. Hola. The shoes, guys. It's a lot. So we're gonna walk around so that I can show you everything. Pretty much everybody has the shoes, they have tools. This side actually I see so many tools. I see so many bikes. Everything that you need, it's here. Guys, it's so hot. I'm sweating like crazy. But hey, I'm here to show you flea market where you can get cheaper. So if you come from anywhere and you feel like, oh, America is expensive, I cannot afford. No, look at the grill, guys. They have grills here, barbecue, everything. You can pretty much find it here. Look at that. So don't worry, don't mind. You can find pretty much everything here. My God, look at it. The market is so large. Huh? Look at these shoes, guys. Look at the mirror right here. I love the mirrors. You see this fancy mirror right here? I love it. So, yeah. And still we keep going. Guys, look at these boots. Really nice boots. Look at that. Way manageable, actually. Yeah, so everything here is really manageable. Guys, I love this. Oh, this is really nice. I wish it was black. I love it. Guys, if I find a hat, oh, I didn't know they have plants over here. They have plants. So it's really nice. T-shirts, everything. Oh my gosh, the baby's so mad. Look at the baby. The baby's crying, the baby's tired. Probably is hungry. You know, this flea market, when you come here, you're just walking, you know. It's hard, you're walking. Babies can get, you know, tired, thirsty. They don't want to be here. But hey, it's a flea market, so parents have to come here to buy and swap, you know. And that's what's going on here. Oh my goodness, I'm already tired. Are you enjoying the flea market, guys? Huh? Let's keep going on the other side, okay? It's huge, guys. I hope you're enjoying it. Huh? Guys, I feel like I need to buy a hat. Let me ask. It's loud music. Guys, as you can see, everything you need in a flea market, actually it's here. If you are looking for something at second hand, I found out actually they even have these are trash cans where you put trash so you don't litter everywhere. You can even find fruits. You can tell here, plenty of fruits here. Oh, I love mangoes, guys. These mangoes are really nice. I love them. They're so ripe. Look at that. They have mango, tomatoes here. Everything you need is here. My gosh, I love this mango. Look at that. I need to know how much is a box. How much is a box?
12.
Huh?
12.
Ah, 12. Okay. $12. Is it $12 in a box? Yeah. So it's $12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 mangoes for $12. They have different kinds. They have even orange. They have even corn. Oh my gosh, they have corn. Look at this. They have corn. Oh, they have rags, carpets. I don't know, they're carpets or rags. No, you don't need that. Let's go the other side. Oh well, guys, you can see that side, and now let's go to the other side. As you can see, they have even fruits I showed you. These are other fruits over here. They have even detergents over there. My gosh, this is a flea market. It's so large. Wow, it's a lot of things here, and the price is affordable, guys. My gosh. Look at this. Let's go all the way down so I can show you more. I didn't record on the other side because they have loud music over there. That's why sometimes I'm not recording other places because of the copyright. So I'm trying to show you pretty much everything. So we need to go in there and see what they have so you can tell. This one looks like a parking. You can go the other side. Let's use this. Go down here. Yeah, so I can show you this side here. Show you this side here what they have. As you can see, pretty much, guys, it's used stuff here. There's even music here. I hope it's not gonna be a copyright. Everywhere you go is music. You can even find lotions, guys, here, toothpaste. You see, even pen. Everything you need here. It means detergent here. My gosh, everything is in here. So done. All right, guys, let's go this way. Look at the shoes. Boots, actually, really nice. Look at this, a lot is over here. So this is what you find in a flea market. Guys, are you having fun? My gosh, let's keep going to enjoy. You can tell pretty much everything you need in life is here. If you don't mind, you see, guys, they have loud music over there. I hope it's not gonna be a copyright. Yeah. On the other side is the same thing. They have bikes. Look at this mower. They used mowers. So you can find mowers. Guys, let's keep going. Look at it. They're all used, but they're working. You know, they work. Look at this wheelbarrow, guys. It's a used wheelbarrow, but if you are able to get it and maybe a few dollars and go fix it, this is what it means to be here in a flea market. You know, it's a used stuff. Let me show you other used stuff here. You see, you have your backyard or whatever, you just want to buy these chairs. They're actually really nice. You can go fix them and use them. Whoa, look at this sink. Look at this table, really nice. how everything used here. You're a kind of person who like doing tool stuff. They're here. You can come here and find all your tools, guys, whatever you need. Let's go on the other side, see what they have. Right. My good, guys, it's so large, like you can't finish. You can't finish this. Well, guys, I'm gonna take you all the way to the end so that you can see the end is right there. People park cars here, and actually they buy over there. So I just wanted to take you all the way so that you can actually see everything. I'm determined today to show you the flea market, guys. This is how everything is. I guess let's go this way. Here, not plenty here, but let's go. Because I hear loud music on the other side.